Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Settings and navigate to Apps to find Screen Recorder. Tap Permissions and grant storage and microphone access now. Then open Special App Access and enable display over other apps, allowing the floating window overlay. Return to the recorder and allow notifications if prompted. Start a 30 seconds test recording to confirm audio and video capture work properly. If the overlay icon still does not appear, restart your phone before continuing. Restarting helps apply permission changes and refresh background services. If permissions were correct but issues persist, clear cache and storage for Screen Recorder. Go to Apps, Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove corrupted temporary files safely. Next, check system updates for Xiaomi or the recorder module and install any available patch. If an update fails, uninstall recorder updates or reinstall the module from the system updater. After reinstalling, regrant permissions and perform another 30 seconds test to confirm the recorder now saves files correctly. Battery optimizations can stop the Screen Recorder unexpectedly. Open Settings and search Battery Saver, then exclude Screen Recorder from optimization. Also add the recorder to Auto Start or Protected Apps to keep it running in background reliably. Lower aggressive cleaner permissions that kill background services during sleep. If stability is still poor, install a trusted third-party app such as AZ Screen Recorder for comparison and test a 30 seconds recording. Choose the solution that records reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.